4/6/2010.
I feel that you are speaking live.
No, I'm not speaking like.
Lieutenant Branch.
Have you any proof that I'm speaking like?
Of course.
Which type like?
Your face is too. Your face.
My face doesn't
No,
tell
in
anything.
your face.
My
I'm
face
looking. I'm looking in your
My
face.
face doesn't tell anything.
No, I'm looking in your face that you are speaking much wrong.
Are you face reader?
Yeah.
Are you face reader?
I can read it. I can read
You
your
can't
face.
read. You can't
I can read.
What is that you can read?
I am Sundays of
What have you written
science.
in your hand?
Yeah, of course.
What have you written in your hand?
I have written God. I have written of name of God.
Name of God.
Yeah.
What have you written
It is my favorite God. That is why I have written in my hand. My mind will be diverted. Yeah, of course, I will go. Whatever I want. Yeah.
For devotees.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know how to worship?
Do you know how to? Yeah, of course. Before first of all, I will have to do bath. After bathing, I will go in my home.
What are you speaking?
We are talking about God. How should I worship?
How should you worship?
Yeah, how should I worship?
How to worship? How to worship?
Yeah.
Listen, do you worship God?
Yeah. No, I don't know. I don't want to do worship because of my parents is also doing worship. So only I think so. Whenever I see. Yeah, okay.
You will do apart from your parents.
No. I can never do it apart from my parents because my parent is my family. My parent is very important for me. So I can't go beyond of limit my parents.
Okay, doesn't matter. If what's your father do?
My father is a businessman in Mumbai.
Okay, listen.
Yeah.
In Mumbai.
What businessman is your
Yeah.
father?
My father hasn't told me. I can never ask to my father that what are you doing.
listen.
Brother, hello.
It's not my habit that I can ask my father what is doing.
Let me ask.
Only my father told me that I.
Okay. My question is that.
Yeah.
Are you against your father?
No, I can never against my father.
I think you not understand what I'm speaking.
Just you spoken na. Are you against your father? Yeah. Against this khilaf ke virud. So I can never against my father.
There is a double meaning.
No.
के खिलाफ के विरुद्ध and के सहारे.
May you hear me?
Yeah, of course. Are you here from
Tell
here?
me that.
Yeah.
If you don't wanna become apart from your father,
Yeah.
so which type businessman your father is doing, you will also do that.
No, I can never do whatever my father
what
is
you
doing.
doing
I can
like?
never do this type of.
Spoken, I won't become apart from my parents.
My father hasn't told me that whatever I'm doing as like you can do.
So what's your dream? Tell me.
Because sometimes every Saturday, every Friday, I accustomed to tell you that.
But I hadn't listened.
Yeah.
I have
You
forgotten.
should try to listen what I was speaking.
We had forgot.
Listen to
We had
what
forgot.
I said.
We had forgot.
You forgot that I can never.
You will have to
I
tell.
can't even hear.
You will have to tell.
If you are saying to me that I can tell you what because you are reading alive with me, so that is my responsibility. I
Along
can
with
tell
me,
you.
not alive with.
Along with you. I have spoken alive with you, not along with. Okay. Along is also right.
Yeah.
Alongside is also right.
Alongside, no, you
Yeah.
haven't spoken alive.
Alongside is also right. Don't tell me.
I'm right.
Wait a minute.
Why have you
I have come for the second step. Good English.
Have you spoken?
Wait a minute. Have you speak one after
Have you spoken or not?
Listen to me. If you will speak one after another, I can talk with you anybody. Okay. Listen to me. What I'm asking. If you will talk to any one after another, I can talk with everybody. Okay.
But I'm talking to one after
No,
another.
before she was speaking, so let them speak.
Why?
Let them speak.
I will ask.
Wait a minute. I know. Wait a minute.
Okay. How can you manage?
Yeah. No, I can speak one. If you will speak one after another, I can manage everything here.
Ram, bro, listen.
Yeah.
You are coming here for speak English.
Yeah.
So you like to speak English, leaps and bounds.
Yeah, of course. Why not? I would like to speak in leaps and bounds.
But you can't speak at a stretch.
Yeah.
You can't speak at a stretch.
How can I say that I can speak at the stage?
What about at the stretch? No, at the stretch.
At the stage, I have spoken at this.
But
at the stage.
you do on and on our topic.
On and on. Yeah, of course.
But on and on.
Yeah, on and on. I know that very well.
Had you squared meal in evening time, morning time? Had you squared meal in morning time?
Hey, squad? What is the meaning of it?
You don't know?
Yeah, I don't know.
But I think that you have read and
Yeah, we have read, but we have forgotten. You know that. If you know
But why you have forgot?
If you know something, tell me.
Listen, it's your duty, you should read.
It's not my duty, it's my purpose.
It's
It's my duty. It's my duty. Listen to me. Listen.
I can't do that.
Right now I'm not doing here. Right now I'm not. Right now I'm not doing hard work here. Now you can't speak as like you can't speak as like it's my job.
I can speak.
Yeah, what
It's
can you
your
speak?
Listen, if you are coming here, so you will have to read.
What will I have to
Tell me
read?
that.
What will I have to read?
You will have to read our preserve. Which sir have taught us.
What if sir has told I have
But you don't know about square meal.
square meal? Yeah, paid for.
Yeah.
Paid for bhojan.
So why not thinking here?
Yeah, I know, but I don't want to deliver.
Listen,
Paid for bhojan.
I think they
Square meal. Am I right or not?
You didn't know. You didn't know that time. You didn't know that time. You didn't know.
Just I'm telling you, no?
Yeah, just now you're
No one has
telling
told
me.
me. No one has told me that what is meaning
I
of
think
it.
you didn't know that time.
Nah, before some time ago, I know that
didn't know
very
that
well.
time.
What is meaning of it?
And that time you didn't know.
Yeah.
what's going on in your class?
I feel that Phrasal verb.
Phrasal verb.
Yeah.
But I think so. In your class,
Yeah.
we are reading narration.
Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it.
You like phrasal?
No, I don't. Yeah, I would like to read phrasal verb.
Okay, may I ask you?
Yeah.
Let me ask.
Hey, wait a minute.
Please ask me only one.
She's longing for talking with us. Wait a minute. Rajmani, I can talk with you after.
Listen, bro.
Okay.
If you don't read narration, in which class had you gone?
I had gone 11th class.
In 11th class?
Yeah. Wait a minute.
In view of me, you
Wait a
have
minute.
gone in 12th class.
Doesn't matter. Wait a minute. What do you want to say?
Why is speaking lie?
Am I speaking lie? How can you say that I am speaking lie? Have any proof?
Yeah, I can prove it.
What have you proved?
I approve. Yeah.
Let's check the
Hello, excuse me. You are in BA second year. Am I right?
I can. From where are you coming? From where am I coming?
I don't know.
You don't know about something or speaking about something.
I know about it, sir. Hello, I don't know about it, sir. I can speak about it, sir. Hello, excuse me.
I can prove it.
I can prove it.
You have any proof? You can never speak.
I can prove it. Am I speaking?
If you have any proof, so give me. I would like to take.
We are in proof.
I can give proof. Listen.
Wait a minute. I'm not talking with you.
Hello,
I can talk with you.
hello.
I can talk one by one.
You are thinking that you are in 12th
There is
class.
no one Kitan.
You are thinking that.
There is no one my Kitan Kin. Okay, so I can never listen to anyone. I can never listen to anyone. Okay.
You will have to listen. You will have to listen.
I can listen.
But you are wrong here.
If you will speak
You are wrong here. You have to
speak
listen.
one after the other, I can talk with you.
No, I'm asking now.
Suppose that if everybody will follow on yourself, if everybody will follow on yourself, you can come. You can.
Who is following on, sir?
You can bear with.
Listen, who is falling out here?
Just like also that everybody.
I'm alone. Right now I'm speaking alone.
Yeah.
Right now I'm
Just
speaking
like
alone.
everybody will follow on yourself.
I'm not asking about that.
Yeah.
I was thinking that everyone is proof.
Yeah.
That you
No, you are spoken, everybody will speak about yourself.
Listen, I can't speak this. Okay, listen.
Listen to me. There is no one I can never trust anyone.
Everybody you accustomed to use
Yeah.
that I am in 12th class. Am I right?
Whether you believe or not, you can.
Am I right, guys?
Yeah. Wait a minute.
They are my proof.
Wait a minute. If you are not whether you believe me or not doesn't matter. But if you are not to believe, so you can go in a room. After that you should try to look my copy. In my copy I have written my name as well as my class. Okay. So don't speak this style. Don't use this. You had if you listen as like it.
You had written 12th.
Yeah.
You had written
I
12th.
accustomed to written in 12 because every moment I accustomed to fail.
Oh my God. So when will you pass out it?
I feel that when will I hold after that I will pass.
Okay. What's the percentage of 10?
I feel that 75.
Stop.
Huh?
75.
75,
yeah.
Stop.
I'm not stopped now.
You want to stop?
Yeah.
Listen, bro. Reply my
Don't listen to him.
Listen. As far as I am concerned,
Yeah.
you had gone in 12th class.
Yeah. No. It's not like that. It's totally wrong. Right now I'm reading in 11th class. How can you say that I'm reading 12th class?
But right now, hello. Right now, it's that listen, you are failing 12th. You are failing 12th.
Let me speak.
Now you have to
Wait.
How will I wait?
If you speak one after another, I can talk with anybody. Everybody I can talk with.
I'm speaking alone.
Yeah.
I'm speaking alone.
He's also speaking. I like
Not speaking
it.
now. He's silent now.
I have spoken, but anyone knows.
Oh my God. Keep on speaking. I would like to talk with you. I would like to talk with you.
I know
Yeah.
you don't like narration.
Yeah.
But I think in view of me, you had gone in 12th class.
No.
And you had done.
You are speaking too much lying.
Listen,
No, I
you
cannot
are
listen.
reading in
If you
12th
speak-
class
if you
since
speak
2 years.
Yeah?
You are reading in 12th class since 2 years.
2 years,
And
yeah.
you had done passed
Yeah,
out.
of course. If
So
I
tell me that.
will have to spend time in 12th class 3 months. After that I can pass.
After 3 months, you will pass.
But there is already board exams.
I don't know about it.
Yeah, there is already board
Yeah,
exams.
of course. That is why I'm not passing. That is why I'm not passing. That is why I'm not passing.
How will you pass out 3 in 3 months?
I don't know about it.
So, where are you taking this time?
Right now, before some time ago, I have spoken that right now I'm reading in 11th class. How can I say that?
Oh my
I'm reading
God. Oh my God.
Yeah, of course.
Listen, where your exam center will go?
I feel that
After 3 months.
right now I'm reading in 11th class. Definitely you can never speak like it. Whatever I don't
In
like.
which school do you read? In which school do you
I
read?
feel that. Do you know? Have you forgotten his name?
No, I have forgot.
I know.
Principal name is Rajmani Yadav.
You are speaking lies.
Do you know about my principal name?
Yeah, we know.
how can you say that I'm speaking lies?
But we know.
I know.
Hello, I know.
I know because I am reading in that school.
You are my sister?
Yeah.
Your sister?
Yeah.
You are my sister. How can you say that you know that?
Listen, bro, I am speaking. I am
Tell me,
not
tell me
your
about-
sister
tell me.
and I am not your kith and kin. Okay?
Oh my God! So how can you say that? I know about your personal name.
Principal name.
Yeah.
Personal name. Don't think personal.
Personal name plus.
Principal. Okay. There is a double meaning of principal. Which is right? You should tell.
Yeah.
P-R-I-C.
NCPL.
Don't speak.
Yeah.
Nah. P-L-E. P-R-I-N-C-P-L-E.
Yeah.
It is right.
I don't know about it.
Why?
Listen.
Only I know about what is the meaning of principal. What will happen? What is meaning?
Listen.
But I don't know anything else about what you want.
Principal.
Yeah.
There is a double meaning of
I don't know about it. Only I know one thing. Only I know one thing.
Listen, in
Whatever I know, I can tell.
If you have gone in BA second year,
No,
first year,
I'm not going in
you
BA.
will go. You will go in future.
In future, I will go.
In
So I
future.
don't want to go in.
So,
I don't want to go in
So,
BA.
you
don't
In
want
future, I don't want to go.
listen. I think so you will have to go now.
No, I don't want to go now.
You don't. You
I don't know.
Listen, but I think you are now.
When I will pass.
Now you are.
When I will pass class.
When I will. Now he is passing time. Now you are passing time.
When I will pass class, after that, I will think that I should go now in BA or not. But I don't know. Now I have thought that I will have to leave study because I don't like study.
Listen.
Okay.
I like speaking English.
Okay. What do you like?
I like speaking English. Yes,
So how do you
Let
understand
me
the meaning of it?
ask, bro.
Why trying?
Listen, tell me that.
Yeah.
What's in the meaning of doctor?
Doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R.
What's the meaning of
Doctor is doctor. Doctor is doctor.
You don't know English.
I don't. I know.
You are speaking good English.
Yeah?
You are speaking
Listen, bro.
Let
You
them
are
talk.
only
Wait a minute. Just now he's telling me that he knows very well good about English. Let me talk.
How many time and you spent? Yeah? How many time and you spent?
Please, wait a minute. Wait. Speak.
How many time and you spent?
And you spend here. So can I speak what is meaning? Tell me Hindi. Whatever you have spoken.
I can never speak Hindi, brother.
Whatever you have spoken. If anyone will
Because I can never
listen to
speak
me.
Hindi, because I am
Listen
coming only for English. Yeah? I am coming only for learning fluent English. So how can you say that I am speaking Hindi? Oh, I can never speak Hindi.
You can never speak Hindi,
Yeah,
but you can speak lie.
Huh?
You can speak lie.
You can. I am. What am I speaking like?
Yeah, you have spoken. What I have spoken. Speak again. Everybody listen carefully. What these are speaking.
Yeah.
What am I?
What do you want to ask? What do you want to ask?
How many time and you spent here?
How many time?
And you have spent here.
And you spend it. What is meaning of it? What is meaning of it? Tell me. Hindi.
But
It is
but
totally
I can't-
wrong. It is
I'm
totally
not
wrong.
speaking Hindi.
Yeah?
I'm not speaking Hindi.
But you can't speak. But you are
Brother,
speaking
because I don't like
Now-
speaking Hindi.
No, you are speaking lie.
No.
What's the matter of that? What's the matter of that?
Don't fight. Don't fight. Don't fight.
You're right. You're wrong here.
Wait a minute. Let me talk. Let me talk.
Yeah.
Sir, what's the spelling of
Tell me what is meaning of it. What is meaning of it?
What is meaning of it?
Tell me Hindi.
Listen, bro,
Whatever you have spoken.
listen.
Wait.
Because I can
I want that you speak. I want that you speak. Wait a
But why? You can't try my answer.
Wait a minute. Right now he's showing to me that I know very well how to speak good English. Right now he's showing to me that I have one question. I don't want to tell. Okay, me what I have spoken.
Have you come from
Again and again, I'm saying I can never speak.
Yeah, because I have come up with.
So tell me that why have
Wait a minute.
you written Ram in your hand?
Because I like it.
You like it?
Of course I like
Are you
it.
priest?
Yeah.
Are you priest?
What is meaning of it?
Pujari.
What is meaning of it?
Pujari. I know, Pujari.
Yeah, of course I'm not Puji.
Hello. He's a devotee. He's a devotee. Yeah.
Yeah, devotee. I don't know everything else. That is what I'm asking you. Na? Whatever you want to tell me.
आराम से चाय पकौड़ी बना दीजिए आराम से खाना खाया जाए
Yeah, wait a minute.
दीपू से कब से बोल रहे हैं
Whatever you have spoken, sometime ago, whatever you have spoken.
What can I tell you?
How much time? What's the meaning? Sorry, how many time and you spend here?
Yeah.
It's the right sentence. It's the right sentence.
When have you spoken there?
You have spoken.
When have you spoken?
Listen, video is captured. Video is captured.
You can prove it. Yeah?
Yeah.
Speak again. Huh? Whatever you want to ask.
What have I asked?
What do you want to ask?
You had asked. Everyone is proved. Everyone is listened.
Listen to me that. So sometime ago, what
There's the camera. There's the camera.
Sundaram bro, listen.
listen, what is meaning of it? Listen. Only if you speak
Listen, what listen my word?
Yeah, I would like
When
to
will you enter into your reading in class 11?
I feel that since...
After 3 months?
No.
After 4 months. So how will you? Since when are you coming here?
I am coming here only for 1 month ago.
4 months.
Oh, yeah.
1 month.
Wait a minute. She wanna talk with me, Sulumri. Everybody wanna talk with me. So let them talk. Speak.
But I think you should come here.
I should come here. If you are giving me suggestions already, it's my responsibility that I should come.
Speaking lie.
Yeah?
You're speaking lie.
What am I speaking lie?
How many number had you got?
You have come here since 4 months.
Yeah.
That you are coming here since 4 months.
That you are coming here.
You have come here for 4 months.
4 months. Yeah, of course I am coming here for 4 months.
Because I have spent time 4 months, but you are not coming 4 months. I think you are coming since 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
If I was coming,
Yeah.
so why not speaking? Why weren't you speaking about myself that I am coming 2 years ago?
Because you are speaking live.
Yeah, speaking lie.
Yeah.
So it's my habitual that I accustomed to speak lie.
Your habit is very bad.
Yeah. You may tell me. Oh my God. You may tell me I should change my habit.
Yeah, you should change your habitual. Your habit is very bad.
You will tell me. Who are you? Who are you? Tell me.
I am your sister.
You are my sister. So it's my responsibility that you can tell me.
Yeah.
What's your power?
Yeah, I
Listen
can
to me.
tell you.
Your face is getting after with his.
Wait yaar, idhar what the wait yaar, where the Hindi, where the Hindi yaar, who is your yaar here?
What do you want to say? Speak again. I would like to tell you.
Because I am your sister.
Yeah. I know that very well. You are my sister. So maybe you can never speak this type. What I have spoken. My thought is
I can speak.
my habitual is not good.
Yeah.
What is meaning of it? Habitual.
Habitual others.
My habitual is not good.
Yeah.
How can I say that my habitual is not good?
I can say because you're speaking lie very.
Yeah, of course I'm speaking lie. Since when I'm speaking lie?
Even time.
Even time I'm speaking lie.
Yeah.
How can I say that? You
I
have any
can say
proof?
with the mouth you can look.
Yeah?
You can look.
What should I look?
That how am I speaking lie? How am I speaking?
Since when I'm speaking lie? Tell me.
Even time.
Even time I'm speaking lie. How can I say that?
I can prove.
You have any proof? You have any proof?
Yeah, see,
He is not speaking lie. He is not speaking lie. He is not speaking lie.
Now listen. Now listen. How can
How can you say
Now listen.
How can
What do you say? What do you say? What do you have to say?
He is totally right.
Yeah, of course.
His habitual is totally good.
Your language is speaking totally right.
Yeah.
Sundaram, bro, listen.
supporting to her.
Yeah, he is my friend. Hello. Definitely.
Everybody is my brother.
Listen me.
Yeah.
Do you use of water?
Ask first question.
Listen, I will ask. I will ask.
Okay.
Do you use of water?
Yeah, of course I will not
So
accustomed
tell
to
me
use water.
that, including all phrasal verb, how to say water?
Including all phrases. Can you tell me?
Yeah, I can tell you, but tell me because
First you
it's a
tell me.
nice
I don't
question.
know.
You will have to
Yeah, of course
tell.
I don't know about it. Tell
You
me.
don't know
Yeah,
about
of course I don't know about it.
मीन्स बताओ इसको तुम बताओ
Why my answer?
No, speak again. I couldn't listen to you. What do you know what is?
Do you know how to say water?
I don't know what is water.
So are you accepting you have given in?
I don't know about water, so how can I tell you what is
Listen,
water?
bro.
I don't know about water.
You don't know
Yeah,
about
of course.
water?
Everyone is accustomed to drink wine.
Do you
So how can I tell you what is water?
You drink water fine.
Yeah, of course.
I think so. Without water you can't see.
No. How can I say that?
We are drinking wine only.
I can
Everyone
say it
accustomed
from
to. Yeah.
my mouth, okay? And I have read in science book.
You have read in science
Without
book.
water,
What have you read in
can't
science book? Tell me something.
Listen.
First, can you tell me? In which class do you read?
Yeah, I am reading class 10.
10. So
Okay.
can you tell me
May I
what?
ask you some questions to science?
Listen.
Not listen. Listen my
Listen.
question.
Firstly,
No,
reply
first
my
listen.
answer.
No, I can never listen. Everyone I can never listen. Only you will speak.
बट यू हैव टू गिव आंसर ना
Reply my answer.
No.
After that, I will listen everything.
We have told you.
Whatever
We have told you.
wanna say, you can say.
Yeah, we have told you.
Reply my
I don't know
answer.
what I only accustomed to everyone accustomed to drink wine. So how can I that? What is water? I don't know about water.
Okay, doesn't
Whenever I eat food, like with drink wine.
Wine.
Yeah.
So doesn't matter.
yeah.
But tell me that. Do
What do you
you,
mean? It doesn't matter.
can you prove it?
Yeah.
Without water you can live.
Yeah, of course I can give you
So prove it.
Everyone, whenever I accustomed to drink wine,
लिसन
drinking wine, I can-
लिसन हे रुको देखो you should know कि you are in video you cannot speak फालतू word ठीक है what how can you live without water हाँ which type fact are you speaking हाँ तो you have to you don't know anything तो you should speak ना I don't know I drink always wine what's the meaning of it you are accustomed to drink wine so means you are going to destroy everything else what nature has created don't speak this type and speak a proper manner with which it will go in public and public will finalize what his teacher is making तो you don't speak this type कि हम आप पर ये नहीं पीते हैं it is not possible to do
What were you asking?
I have asked how to save water.
How to
Save water.
save water? How should I save water?
You can feel a girl is fighting with two both talented boy.
Oh my God. She's fighting with her.
Rajmani and Sundaram
with
both
her.
are very good boy.
Oh my God.
And Akansha is fighting alone because,
Oh my
because
God.
Vishal is not supporting
She's
her.
Supporting a lot. What do you think about herself?
What are you thinking?
Now I can
What's actually?
Now I can
What do you think about himself, bro? Just now you should try to follow up.
Arey, she's a girl and she's fighting with you. I want to know why are you not able to defeat her? Defeat her at anyhow.
Just now I'm going to, you will have to tell.
Sir, will you accept my
Yeah, of course.
question?
Why not? She will accept.
First,
Why
try
not?
my answer. After that, I will.
Listen, you had asked to him, but my question is that for you.
Listen, I have asked both of you.
But I
So try my answer.
listen, why do you speak at best?
At best, I have spoken at best because my teacher has taught me that I am speaking at best.
But you shouldn't speak at best.
But why I shouldn't speak?
Because if you listen.
I am accepting I shouldn't speak at best. If anyone giving me knowledge, so I should speak and I should have spoken.
Okay. You should have spoken. How should you have it? How should you have spoken?
Listen, if I am talking.
I'm talking.
What are you talking?
Everybody makes mistake.
What's the matter of that?
Everybody makes mistake.
I don't know how to do. Everybody can never mistake.
So you only have to know.
Keep on,
You don't know anything.
keep on talking, keep on talking.
Because I have asked one question you don't know
Yeah,
and you
keep
have
on.
lost.
Keep on talking. Just now you
So
say
what's
student
the
has
matter?
spoken out.
He doesn't
Why are you checking out?
Listen,
Why are you checking out?
I am not checking out.
So stop there.
You are thinking out now.
I am talking with you.
yeah.
But firstly, reply my answer.
Why are you
I
stammering?
have asked one question. Only one question.
you know
But
what-
anyone not
Listen, my question is that, listen, can you include all phrases that how to speak good English? You will have to tell in 150 words. You will have to tell
Now I have no more time, but I can
What do you mean of that no more time? He has no more time for telling my answer.
because I can speak.
Oh my God. He has no more time for telling my answer.
Why?
Mind your language after that.
Wait a minute. Yeah, boss, everybody can understand. Tell me. Why are you speaking? Why are you checking out? Why are you checking out?
I am not.
Whatever my brother was asking to you, so why are you checking out to us?
I am not checking out.
Just
Can you
Right
do
now,
it?
I think so. Right now,
ask to them.
listen, I think so you are now you are in hot water.
Yeah. In hot water.
Yeah, you are in hot water.
Listen,
hot water.
In hot water. I hadn't read in hot
Oh
water.
my God.
Oh my God, you are read.
Every moment, listen to every moment you are accustomed to read alongside with us.
Listen, bro, you can check my all notes.
No, I can never check. I don't need to check your copy.
What I have read, I can
No,
read
I don't.
but hadn't
I feel that you are
I
checking
think
out us.
so you.
Yeah.
Listen,
You should, no, you will have to accept. You will have to accept. You have just now you
Listen, I am
have
accepting, so tell me
Yeah. Just now she is
narrow
accepting.
circumstances.
Just now, yeah.
What's in the minimum narrow circumstances?
Yeah. गरीबी के दिन.
Garibi
Yeah, of course, गरीबी के दिन.
So
Yeah.
five examples of narrow
No.
circumstances.
Just whatever. Only.
I think so. Right now you
Listen
are
to
in
me.
complete leave.
Only one
Come
question you
to
have spoken.
Yeah.
Just now she has accepted. So why are you talking this?
Okay,
doesn't matter.
You have accepted. You have lost.
I am accepting.
Yeah. So doesn't matter.
Listen,
Let
let me speak. Let me speak.
Let it be.
Let me
If you have accepted,
But
then not.
it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
So no use talking to you because you are both are crying. Only
Yeah, I don't know crying.
Listen,
Just now
I think
you have
you
accepted
should also
that I
cry.
have lost.
Listen, you should also cry.
Wait a minute.
You have not heard.
Listen,
Narrow
listen,
circumstances. Hello.
Okay.
I have told you
He has not
what my
even-
answer. I have told you.
She has not eaten square meal. She has not eaten square meal at
Doesn't matter. Listen to me. Whatever you have out.
may you give
Whatever
me
you
water.
have.
May you give me water.
We are not water man.
We are also we are
not
also 30.
tanker.
We are also 30. Listen to me. That I feel that you are checking out to us. Okay. Let it be.
I am
Let
not
it be.
backing up
Whatever
with you.
listen.
And
Oh my
who the hell
God.
are you? I can back out. I should back out.
If you don't want to back out with us, so tell me my answer. Whatever you have spoken, I have told you your reply. Okay? So listen to me.
and listen.
You have accepted. My teacher was telling me that
Pardon.
before some time ago. Listen to me. That before some time ago, my teacher was telling me to that if anyone will lose. Sorry for that.
Listen,
If anyone will lose,
listen.
after that, everybody will clap.
I think so, listen.
Yeah, but you have accepted that you have lost.
Listen.
Lose.
Listen.
You
Will
have
you
to
listen or
with
not?
us.
Will you listen or
Yeah,
not?
of course I can listen.
Listen.
But if you will speak in proper way, after that I can
Yes,
listen.
please, speak.
No, speak. Just now I have spoken, I speak.
So if I will speak, anyone won't interrupt.
Yeah.
Okay. So listen me.
If you will speak in proper way, after that I can never speak.
listen.
Yeah, of course we are listening.
What's the meaning of that? We're crying. We're crying when we lose. We're crying. What's the cup of tea in front of me?
Yeah. What's your
What's the cup of tea in front of me?
Why not?
I don't know. You can check out the sun. You can't check out the sun. If you want to fight me, so fight me. What's the cup of tea? You have not born in
You don't know microphone.
I don't know.
Listen, I
Show me.
also don't know
Show me what's the problem.
microphone, okay?
Show me now. What's the crime for?
You-
Show me.
I can show you.
You can't show me. Okay.
Okay,
You can't show
listen,
in
if
the
I
public.
can't show me,
In the
so-
public you
so
can't
tell
see.
me, I can show my power.
You can't show because you
And
are not
listen,
born.
who
You
the
are not
hell
born.
are you?
What's the matter? Who the hell? We're crying.
You don't know what's
We're
the
crying. What's the matter of that? We're crying. We're crying.
How many
You can't cry.
Wow.
You can't cry.
Listen,
You can't cry.
I can
Listen, you can't cry. It's
I
not
can cry.
recommended. You can't cry in front of me.
Doesn't matter, bro.
Do you not know?
Because in-
Listen, I'm blonde. You can't cry.
Listen, I am
Best of luck, best of luck.
Okay, I can speak.
You're not superb. If you're
Listen, I
superb,
can speak.
if you're superb, tell me my answer.
Wait.
So you will.
Just you have spoken. Listen to me. No. I want you to speak. Listen to me. You have spoken. I am better than you. How can I say that? Whatever my brother was asking to you, you can't tell me anything else. So how can I say that you are better than us?
Listen.
Yeah.
Will you listen me or not?
Right now,
Full
you are
stop,
listening.
I will tell.
Yeah. What do you
Listen,
what do you
now my turn.
Instead of
Now
coming, you
my
can tell
turn, I will
me.
speak.
Instead of coming, you
Now
can
my
tell me
turn, I will
whatever we are asking. Whatever we are asking, you are not telling me.
Do you know how to listen?
Yeah. Of
Do
course
you
I know how to listen.
So listen, I am speaking. Now I am speaking.
No.
If anyone will do it,
You are not able to speak because you are not telling me answers. How can I that I want to speak?
you have not, you had not
you are
my answer because I have asked with both of you how to save water.
Yeah.
You hadn't told me.
I can speak.
Listen,
I can
if you
speak.
don't know,
I can
tell
speak.
me.
I can speak how to say water.
Yeah.
Listen.
Firstly,
First of all, you should do. You should drink mini water.
Mini water.
yeah, of course.
That means some water.
Some water.
Yeah.
Listen, if I am thirsty for drink much water, so I should drink only some water.
Listen.
Whatever I need, I can
Listen.
drink. Whatever I need, I can drink.
Listen. How much?
Sir, what's the spelling of tihai?
Tihai?
भाग जैसे
Quarter.
water.
Tihai.
Whatever I need, I can drink.
Listen,
Whatever I need, I can drink.
Your all water has become with water. Your all body has become of water. So how will you drink some water?
Listen. If you want to drink much water, so you should drink much water, but you shouldn't waste that.
Whatever I need, I can drink.
Listen. If
She is not asking about waste water. No,
Teach me how to save water.
Huh?
So don't waste
So
much
what's the meaning of save water? If you want to get water, you want to drink water, so you will get some water.
Yeah,
What's the meaning of some water?
After that, the water will be
They can listen. Save for drinking. They can be.
listen. For save water, you want bath.
Don't disturb. Don't disturb me.
Listen, for
No, she can disturb you.
So I'm talking to you now.
No, you can talk with me.
I was talking to you now.
No, you can talk with me.
For save water, you want bath. You will bath only one day in 1 week.
I'm going in 1 week. I will watch every day, but I will not waste my much water.
So tell me that. I think so. Your means is that if you are saying you should drink some water, so how will you bath every day?
Listen, how much I need, I will drink.
You will drink.
I will not
In this type, how many?
He doesn't drink. He doesn't drink water. Hello, there is proof.
You can also take this video.
No, listen, brand can't be lose. Brand can't lose.
But super also can't be.
You are going to be obvious.
I am
Hello.
And I am better than
I haven't spoken as like
Listen, whether you speak or not, I don't care. But you haven't replied my answer.
Wait a minute. How can I say that we are?
You have not told my answer.
We are telling.
I have told you answer.
You have not told. Well, okay, what's the meaning of in hot water? Can you tell me?
Yeah.
I hadn't did it hot water. Okay?
What's the matter of that?
I have.
He has read. Your player has read. In hot water. Yeah, he has read. Sir, there. Listen, sir, what's the word? You are read.
I have read.
I can prove.
You can prove.
Yeah, I can prove. I can
Hello. You can prove.
I can prove now.
Yes,
I can prove now. I can prove now. Yeah.
You can always prove now.
Yeah. Hello. There is a listen. There is only math.
You can prove now. You can prove now.
What's the meaning? Listen.
You can prove now. You can prove. I can prove. I can prove. You can prove. You can prove. You can prove. You can leave my copy. You can leave my copy. You can prove. You can prove. You can prove. You can just tell me. You can prove my copy. Why have you taken my copy? Why have you taken my copy?
I have taken because I
Why have you taken? What is the meaning of touching with the job?
No, listen. Hey, suno,
First of all, you should try to think what are speaking. I think
I'm thinking what you are saying. I'm not thinking. Okay. What you are saying. I'm thinking. Okay.
Whatever you are saying. Sir, wait a minute. No, I will have to speak. Whatever you have spoken, everything is
बोलने
not
दो
right.
उसको, let him speak.
Whatever you are speaking, everything is not right.
Not, how can you
say that you have to have
रुको, मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
only 5 minutes.
Hey, रुको,
Sir, wait. I can talk with you only 5 minutes.
I can talk to you.
Only 5 minutes.
हाँ, why क्यों?
Tell me, what is the meaning of it?
पतियों में हूँ.
Can talk with me only 5 minutes.
I don't know hot water. You know, so tell me differently.
You don't know?
I don't know.
You don't know?
बैठ कर राजू ने.
I haven't it.
Yeah?
I haven't
How can you say that you haven't?
I haven't it.
How can you say that?
I haven't it. You can prove now.
Yeah?
You can prove now.
Just now you are saying my brother is also reading alongside me.
नहीं, hey, wait.
I think you are checking out with us. I think you are checking out with us. Every day you are accustomed to come in coaching. Every day you are reading a live with us.
Differently, I haven't it. So how can you tell?
What is the meaning of definitely I haven't read?
I haven't it.
What have you read? What have you read? What is...
Okay, no one is accepting rules here. So I would like to say you, everyone is equal here because she is not accepting and he is also not accepting and we can't accept.
You can ask.
It's not never accept. We can never accept because it is not our cup of tea that we can accept our lose. Okay, now everyone is equal. So we are saying thank you for that.
Bye-bye, touch.
Hey everyone, good evening. This is Surya from Fluent Spoken Classes. First of all, you should know one thing. This is a very important for you and for your future. It's my dialogue. Achha, you should know one thing, na? Ki many students have joined with us. They are trying to speak good English. I have created this video only for you. If you want to know good English, you can join with us. Why? Because this video is showing you such a personalities that we have created within 6 months. So you can understand about our powers. Someone is coming here and they are showing to us about my भौकाल एक सब वो सब वो तो हम हमेशा थे और मैं फिर इस वीडियो में बोला जाएगा क्या वो कल भी था आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा जो उखाड़ना हो ना उखाड़ लो कुछ उखाड़ने वाला है नहीं ये जानते रहे ना तो मैं आई एम गोइंग टू इनवाइट टू यू ऑल प्लीज कम हियर. These are all students. They are very happy. They will speak. Doesn't matter. At last, they will go to their home. And I would like to tell you all fact and know about your jobs and speak good English. First of all, you should know one thing, which is too much important. All students are going to speak good English. Why? Because we are working such as this is a very important for our students. You know about that girl come inside. Her name is Akanksha Saroj. She is reading in Rajki Balika Inter College. She had come in my coaching at 8 standard. So she was nothing in English. Right now she was fighting with both students, Rajmani Tiwari and Sundaram Yadav. Both are very good students. They speak too much good English. But you can feel which type she was fighting to with them. Why? Because she has also understood everything else. What is meaning of English. So we are inviting to you all boys and girls who wants to speak good English. Join with us and speak fluent English. Want to know what doesn't matter? So listen carefully. They will speak after that. And thank you. Wait. है कौन सा मैटर कौन सा मैटर कौन सा मैटर ओके थैंक यू सो मच बाय बाय